The Russian-made Supra Smart TV has an unpatched flaw allowing anyone with access to your Wi-Fi to hijack your screen. The researcher who found this vulnerability showed off the bug by interrupting his normal broadcasting with a fake emergency message. Since the makers of the TV more or less said they will not be patching this flaw in the near future, if at all, the only thing you can do if you own a Supra Smart TV is to ensure that your Wi-Fi network is properly secured, IoT devices correctly configured, as well as maintaining an up-to-date catalog of necessary patches for devices on your network. Perhaps a side effect of this vulnerability, companies are reporting a much higher satisfaction rate for their CISOs who own Super Smart TVs who are finally learning how to properly do their jobs. More on this and other cybersecurity news right now on the Daily SOC.
And in 5, 4, 3.
Google has added a new feature to Google Maps which recommends a restaurant's most popular dishes to potential customers. This feature uses machine learning to comb through online reviews and photos to better rank and describe a restaurant's menu. This move by Google only further aligns its Maps application as the center of all life. Feeling lost? Google Maps will find you the nearest pyramid scheme flagship. Indecisive about where and what to eat? Google Maps will show you the easiest route to conformity. Trying to forget the time you drunkenly Googled, "Does your virginity grow back?" Don't worry, Google has already archived the locations of 3 Planned Parenthoods in your area. What could possibly be next? Well, rumor has it, engineers at Google are working on self-walking footwear to incorporate the Maps application, alleviating the responsibility of actually having to walk at all. Next up, NBC has officially launched its digital streaming news network because everyone else is doing it, I guess. This streaming service will stream 8 hours of live content in NBC's last hope to attract viewers under the age of 75. With the goal of attracting a new, younger audience, the main question we have is, what news-related content could NBC possibly stream for 8 live hours that would hold the attention of millennials and Gen Zers? The proposed lineup seems to include the usual cable news-like content, but anchors will be Snapchatting breaking news in selfie mode with alternating filters, all while dressed as avocados. Once and for all, finally proving that major news outlets really know what kids these days are into. Finally, in the past 15 years, no American city seems to have transformed as rapidly as San Francisco. As the modern epicenter of the tech industry, San Francisco has experienced a massive influx of wealth and people, making the city just filthy rich, like literally. San Francisco is home to more billionaires per capita than anywhere else on Earth. San Francisco is also home to more homeless people defecating on the sidewalk per capita than anywhere else on Earth. Like literally, people are forced to poop on the street, while company-provided buses for Google and Apple drive by. This is an all too real example of the advancement of technology at the cost of humanity. Sorry, there's no joke here. This just, sucks. Signing off, I am Lara Finelli, and this has been The Daily SOC.